This place is truly close to my heart. I'm gonna be here for a few days and I'm taking you with me. Hey, welcome guys. So welcome home. This is the view from the cliff. This is where I grew up and I'm truly grateful to be sharing this with you today. And we're just gonna do some exploring and then we'll go down by the beach and then we'll do some fishing and camping. So yeah, let's do it. Hello. Hi. Hi. You guys have a beautiful view. You guys having the best view every day. Best sea breeze, yeah? This is one of the chill spots where we would just sit here for hours. And that's my sis. She's showing me off before I go into the wilderness. I used to stay here under this almond tree sometimes too if we're too lazy to go down by the cliff. And these are aloe vera, the medicinal plant. It has a lot of antioxidant and antibacterial properties. It's very good for wound healing, preventing wrinkles and managing blood sugar. And also if you get a sunburn, it's also good to help to soothe the skin. And these pods, they open up into this beautiful flower. I think it's called Indian shot. I'm heading down to the cliff and I am trying not to fall. So, oh shoot. Dang! I have way too much things on my hands right now. Alright, so my friend, he went ahead, so he's gonna come and get some of these things. Oh my. Home sweet home. Oh, my phone. And this is my friend Marcel. He's gonna be back and forth helping me with some stuff. And these garbage, as soon as they're cleaned, within a day or two, they're all back to just wash back in shore. Yeah. I'm going to explain to them, say, if you're cleaning now, the current are going to bring back everything. Yeah, yeah, pretty much. So, guys, we have a walkie-talkie to keep in touch. Yeah. So. Get the water right now. Yeah. Like, you're literally big enough to pitch maybe 2 10. 2? Yeah. Can you imagine it flat and then all of a sudden a big wave just like, you know about the one when you have high tide. Yeah, and you remember this have a nice arch? Yeah, oh yeah? That one arch and it collapsed after the hurricane. And they just bring it up on the island. I love it. I love it. Every time I come here, it's like the first time. Ah, okay. Oh! A lot of sea beef. So guys, we're gonna try gonna do some fishing, but it's really rough right now. And then yeah, probably some snorkeling a little later. But as you can see, it's crazy. Like, yeah, these. So much to see here, guys. You want a coconut? If we're stranded, could we drink this coconut or is it rotten? These rocks are so prickly. There's a crab over there, guys. I'm gonna have to do some voiceovers because my brand new mic just got damaged just now. Well, I guess he's doing that. And he made it. Testing 1, 2, 3. Roger, Roger. Copy that.
You're all clear, Roger.
Good to go. So this plant is called Nuni, and this is also a miracle plant which has so many benefits, guys. So many. What they'll do is pick the fruit, then store it for maybe 6 to 8 weeks so it could be fermented, and then they'll drink the juice from that. But there are also different ways for it to be prepared. So these are limestone rocks, and over the years yes guys, so as I was saying, it's a very unique rock formation landscape here. It's been gaining popularity over the years, and the garbage, they just keep washing up, unfortunately. And here, I don't really like to stand here for too long. It kind of creeps me out a bit. You know, the rocks has been deteriorating over time, and sometimes they crumble. And that rock used to look like you know what. Here's if I use it. So this is Marcel, huh?
This is Marcel.
Yeah, this is Marcel. A family friend. He's gonna be back and forth. He just come down here to make sure everything is good, and then he's gonna come back later, build some fire, we fish a little, and then he's gonna head back up and then come back in the morning.
Yeah, we'll make it epic, you understand?
Alright, cool. Later. And here's another rotten coconut that's washed up on shore. So this beach is called Turtle Bay, I forget to mention. It's very beautiful. Even on a calm day, you will have crashing waves because the reefs are so high and the current is super strong. So if you do decide to swim, just be very careful. The last time we were here, saw this sea creature. I had no idea what it was, and I had to go and research. And turned out it's called a brittle star. It's a type of starfish, and it looks poisonous, but fortunately it's not because I held this thing in my hand. Also saw conch, poisonous fish, and the crab. up here, guys.
Did you know that you can eat these? They're called sea beef.
Oh! These are so pointy. Hey! We can do it! Yay! Hey! Got out of the water and then decided to just build a fire and set the tent, and I'm gonna try some more fishing. So I'm gonna try throw the line right here and see. But currently setting up some fire. Setting the fire here, and we're gonna set the tent here for tonight. And hopefully we can catch something to cook. Yeah. Alright guys, so I left this rod here set. We're relying on catching some fish or else we will starve. Okay? But I tied the bait on.
Yo, guys, look at what we just picked up. This is such a funny story how we just got this fish. Oh my gosh. So this fish was actually on the line for quite a while and I had no idea. When we went to reel in the line, I realized it was stuck, but it felt like it was just hooked on a reef or something. And then Marcel, we decided to just go into the water to get it, and then I saw him just hold up the fish in the air like, yeah, we got dinner. Guys, it was epic and I wish I had it on camera.
Still live?
The fish is still in his mouth and I don't have fire. It's long time. So you never afraid like what it could have been?
Well, water day, water night. Yeah, we just get over yourself. When we do more, then I'm going to do at night. Look how we want to tap away. Stargaze and try to take picture with coyote and mountain lion out there.
So I wanted this solo experience, so Marcel is gonna head up for the night.
how close. Look how close the waves are washing up to the tent. So guys, I got washed out. I got completely washed out last. Washed out left, right, and center because all the waves just come in and crashed on the on the tent. Alright guys, so I had to tilt this tent and drain out all the seawater because the waves are crashing really close now. Got really rough. The tide came way in. This is as far back as I can go right now. So I had to abandon the tent last night for a while. Ended up in somebody's backyard taking cover. Hi. This goat is so confused right now. It's raining and I'm making coffee. Try not to get... Guys, I appreciate you all, and please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.